So again, I will come. And I continuously come on my YouTube channel. So again, this topic is I belong to you. How to make money online. It's I will show you 11 way you can make money on online. It's genuine way, legitimate income you can make. So first of all, you need to understand making money. It takes some time. you know if you want to make money fast, it's never work, because of if you want to make money fast, you need to sell your kidney or you need to do bank robbery. So it's never work like that. If you want to make money legitimate, genuine way, you need to give take some time. You need to keep some time. So you need to take some time. It's taking some time. So there are a lot of way you can make money on online. I will share with you 11 way how you can make money on online. So number one is find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete project on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed. When you are a freelancer, and there are plenty of freelancer job online. In fact, there are plenty of website where you can list your job. Be sure to check out Upwork. Is the one of the largest platform I have ever seen. In freelance marketplace. So you will see listing for freelance as web designer, writer, script writer, product manager, and other specialist. So whatever you want to be, you just need to learn something and you need to post job proposal there. And and over 15 million freelancer get their job from Upwork. Just Upwork. There are a lot of marketplace have in in the one line, and Upwork, freelancer.com, Fiverr, but I am talking about Upwork right now. So, and even this free to join. Upwork is free to join. It's free to join. There are over 2 million jobs for freelance listed on Upwork. And another side is Plex jobs and Solid Gigs are also excellent sites for freelancer who are looking for work. And in general, you will not have to worry about any scam jobs at Flex jobs. It's so genuine, man. They are not on scam with you. Everyone paid you. So, and they research the jobs and very thoroughly and monitor everything very clearly. So I'm hoping if you do something on Upwork or FlexJob, Solid Gigs, those type of thing, in on or even Fiverr, if you have any skill, you just post your job there, and some people hire you and you work for them. So that's it. Very closely they I mean flex job, Solid Gigs, very clearly they doing research which is good, which client is good for you. So you can find many niche jobs on flex job. You can find many nice jobs on flex jobs. Time is always money, time equal money. So even for a freelancer, time is money. So if you need work to fast, you can choose Solid Gigs. They filter out all the jobs fast and then send you the best ones, thereby verifying the bartering batting the opportunities for you. With Solid Gigs, you won't waste time scrolling through dozens of jobs listed. You can check out that Solid Gigs, Flex Jobs, Upwork instead. And number two, I would say first, start your YouTube channel is the number two. Number one is doing be freelancer, and number second is start your YouTube channel. There are a lot of ways you can make money on one YouTube. Some of are through AdSense, affiliate, sponsor, merchandise, donation, etc. A lot of way you can make money. So start now to grow your business. Among them, one of the best way to make money on online is my favorite. It's my opinion. that sell your one product to your audience. So if you have any product, you can sell that immediately to your YouTube audience, to make your YouTube audience customer. So number three is start drop shipping business. Just buy cheaply any some product to Chinese company or any cheapest company and sell it somewhat increased price. Like let's say you buy $1 hair oil or a $1 ring, you just sell that $2. $1 is profit. If you sell 100 people, it would be you will get $100, so it's your profit. So number four is take online serving. You can you can finding out that, man, I'm never doing that serving. You can find out to Google what is the serving, and you will get immediately. Maybe I all of thing I listed here on my paper for, is all of thing is genuine way you can make money. Number five is create blog. You can write. If you are a writer, if you like to write something, and if you know about a specific thing, you can create website and you can post. Not website, create a lot of uh, website has on online. You just write your blog, that's, that's valuable, that's enjoy people, and post to any monetization blog site, and you will make money there. So number six is write and publish an ebook. It's same to like blog. If you interesting about book, you can write book ebook, and that's you can sell all around the world. You just write that English, your customer would be world around people. So you can write even in your one language if you have audience, if you have customer. So number seven is develop an apps. If you are a programmer or coder, you can develop an apps, and you can doing work for any company for creating apps. And you can start your one apps, and it would be better, man. So number eight is become a virtual tutor. You can teach people through one line. Whatever you know, like I'm teaching you right now through YouTube. So you can teach anyway. Anyway, you can create webinar, Zoom call, Discord call, all sort of thing. Become a virtual tutor if you are if you master any specific topic. So number nine is become an influencer. So influencer mean is persuasion to people to buy any product, like any company. If you have any like TikTok accounts, in Instagram account, for if you have right now, let's say a million audience there, and company and some business people hire you for selling their product, and they give you money for promoting their product. And number 10 is build website. You can build website and sell that to people if you are know about that already. So if you are web developer or you know about build website, you can start that immediately. And number 11 is last is start investing. You can invest your money uh, through online, and you can invest money. Cryptocurrency is free. Cryptocurrency is the online thing. You can do that immediately, whatever you want and when you want to do all thing. You no need to do any paper, any like broker for investing. You just gain knowledge and doing invest there. It's somewhat easy, but it's not easy at all. So you need to know about, first of all, how to invest and which way money usually gain, and you need to talk about those are already has been invest on that platform. So I'm not suggest you to invest. You need to just know first. And I already said, first invest not mean just money invest. You need to invest your time to learn something on online. So what sort of thing is you need to know, man, what sort of thing not you need to know just one thing to be master, and you can apply that to making money on your career. It would be your profession, I would say. Many people making money full-time way on online. So yeah, I'm hoping you will got something from my video. So like, hit the subscribe button, like button, and doing comment on my below channel. So see you later in the next video.